give me an introduction about this bike? What are the features and the options?
A host of connected features.
Uh-huh.
This is the scooter which can reach up to 100 km per hour speed, has 0 to 60 of 2.9 seconds.
This bike have regenerative brake function?
Yes, regenerative. We have done regenerative braking in a very different way.
Okay.
Where you have regenerative braking available right from the 100% charge of the battery.
In future, if we can buy this product,
Yes, yes. So
all the things are standard features. So
No, these are all accessories.
you will be searching on Google and the YouTube. There
Yeah,
is so
you
many.
can reach out to aetherenergy.com in the
aetherenergy.com.
internet, and we have lots of videos on the YouTube by the same name, Aether Energy.
Aether Energy. Okay. So and also I would like to wish them for the World Cup finals as your neighbours.
Yeah,
We hope
it's a
to
big
see
day
you.
today.
අයිබෝන් වාහන වලට ආදරය කරන ඔයගොල්ලෝ හැම දෙනෙක්ම ඉතින් අද BMI CH එකට අපි ඇවිත් ඉඳද්දි අපිට විශේෂ කට්ටියක් හම්බුණා. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පේන ඇති. So what is this brand? Aether. ඉතින් Aether කියන brand එක ඇත්තටම මම ලංකාවේ පළවෙනි වතාවට තමයි දැක්කේ. ඉතින් මෙතන අපිට ගොඩක් ලස්සන බයික්ස් වගේක් දැක ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඉතින් ඒකට මාත් එක්ක කතා කරන්න ඉන්නවා මිස්ටර්
Ashish Sharma.
Ashish Sharma. ඉතින් Mr. Ashish, please give me introduction about this bike. What are the features and the options?
Known as Aether
Aether
450 Apex.
450?
Apex, Aether Apex scooter.
Okay, okay.
So this is our flagship product.
Flagship product.
Yes, this comes with a host of connected features.
Uh-huh.
This is the scooter which can reach up to 100 km per hour speed, has 0 to 60 of 2.9 seconds.
2.9 seconds.
2.9
Okay,
seconds, yes.
okay.
This is one of the fastest scooters available across. This comes with 6.7 kilowatt peak motor power.
Power.
It also comes with 3.7 kilowatt hour battery.
Okay,
The scooter has a mid-mount motor
okay.
which is IP66 rated. Then we have a battery which is designed and patented by Aether, made in India.
Made in India.
Yes, which is IP67 rated, so it is like dust and waterproof to certain extent.
Okay.
Then we have dashboard here which has Google Maps here. So
Wow, there is a Google Map option, no?
yes,
I think it's very good because
it goes better in that one. I will show you. For example, you can select the location that you want.
wow, it's a
There you
nice
are.
option. Actually, I don't have experienced that kind of options in my
Yes.
country.
So it will give you all the locations where you want. In addition to this, it also comes with a lot of small features which adds up to the safety, like hill hold.
Okay.
It also has got hill hold. It has got something called a magic twist.
Okay.
So you go like this, it
Yeah.
goes fast. You go like this, it goes slow.
Okay.
With the magic twist, you can essentially ride without using the brakes.
It's a nice option. And also, is this bike have regenerative brake function?
Yes, regenerative. We have done regenerative braking in a very different way.
Okay.
Where you have regenerative braking available right from the 100% charge of the battery.
100%.
Typically, most of the players who have regenerative braking, even in the four-wheelers, they start in at 80% of the battery or 70% of the battery. This magic twist you can use right from the 100%.
Okay.
So it gives you a very seamless experience of using the product. So along with this, it also has a fall safe, it also has ESS. The battery is state of the art, gives you IDC range of 157 kilometers.
And also, I think this bike is still not available in Sri Lanka.
Yes, so we are here with a few pieces for the display to participate in the EV Expo.
Okay.
Over the time we are preparing to launch.
In future, if we can buy this product,
Yes, yes. So Sri Lanka market and looks very exciting to us. We
Yes.
are working on it. Hopefully, yes, we will be here very soon.
and also nice to meet you. And I also want to know about your company and the history of this company because
I will send you one good video where we have
Uh-huh.
sometime. Our company started in 2013. Where
2013?
we yes,
it's a very new company.
yeah, it's very new, but we have done a lot in very small time. So these are some of the best engineered products that we have. Along with the scooter, we are also
Lot of
setting up a,
research and development parts in your company.
Yes, we have one of the biggest R&D facility available. We can say that. in terms of the electric vehicles.
Uh-huh.
We are not only selling the scooter, we are bringing a complete ecosystem. With the scooters, we have the fast charging grid. It can charge 1.5 kilometers in 1 minute.
1 minute?
In 1 minute.
Wow. I think it's look very nice.
Yes.
And actually I think in your country it's very fastly developing with the IT and the other
Yes.
sectors.
So Ather has close to more than 1500 fast charging grids installed across India. So idea is to enable more and more people using the electric. Along with this, we also have a lot of accessories at place. For example, these are the trunks,
Uh-huh.
the seat covers,
Seat covers.
the TPMS, and then we have something called
All
as
the things
scratch
are
guards.
standard features. So
No, these are all accessories. For this scooter, these things
Okay.
come as a standard fitment. A
Standard
TPMS comes as a standard fitment.
okay.
So you can know the tire pressure. For other bikes, it can be fitted as an accessory.
Can you show me this? Oh, it's very cute, but I think it's very useful, no?
Yeah, it goes inside. It is not visible from the outside.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
Okay. So I think there is very good products in your company. So actually, this is the first time I heard about your company and the all the things. It's because it's 2013. I think all the Sri Lankans know about this brand, and I think you will be searching on Google and the YouTube. There is
Yeah,
so
you
many-
can reach out to aetherenergy.com in the
aetherenergy.com.
internet, and we have lots of videos on the YouTube by the same name, Aether Energy.
Aether Energy. Okay. So and also I would like to wish them for the World Cup finals as your neighbors.
Yeah,
We hope
it's a
to
big day
see you.
today. Thank you, thank
ඕකේ
you.
ඕකේ ඉතින් අපි ඒත කම්පැනි එක ගැන ගොඩක් දේවල් දැනගත්තා. ඉතින් අපේ අසල්වැසියෝ අපිට අපේ ඉකොනොමික් ක්‍රයිසිස් එක කාලෙත් ගොඩක් අපිට උදව් කරා. ඉතින් ඒකින්ද ඒගොල්ලෝගේ ප්‍රොඩක්ට්ස් උත් මේ වෙනකොට ලංකාවට ඒගොල්ලෝ ඉන්ට්‍රොඩියුස් කරන්න බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා කියන. ඉතින් අපි බලමු අනාගතයේදී මේ වගේ බ්‍රෑන්ඩ්ස් ගොඩක් ලංකාවට එයිද කියලා. ඉතින් ඒ සුප්පනි වීඩියෝත් එක්ක දැනට සමුගන්න ඔයාලගෙන් ඉතින් ඇත්තටම ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පෙන්වන්න ඕනේ මට විශේෂයෙන්ම 2023 පටන් අරගෙනත් ඒගොල්ලෝ අපේ වගේ රටකටත් ඇවිල්ලා ඒගොල්ලෝගේ ප්‍රොමෝෂන්ස් කරනවා. ඉතින් අපි ලංකාවේ ප්‍රොඩක්ෂන් වලින් ඉස්සරහට යනවා නම් ඒක ගොඩක් හොඳ දෙයක් වෙයි. ඉතින් අපි තවත් දවසකින් ඔයාලට වීඩියෝ එකකින් හම්බෙමු. ඉතින් ඔයාලා හැමෝටම සුබ දවසක්.